Okay, so yesterday I finished mocking up the basic user interface. I'm using Adobe XD. I keep calling it CR, CD, all kinds of different things. But it is really Adobe XD to create some screens and kind of hook them together to try to get a feel for what I want. And Adobe XD is neat because it lets you do this kind of thing. It lets you start something up and you can actually configure things to click through other things, which is neat. So I go into a show. In a show, there are episodes, and an episode has a sort of a playback sort of thing, and that's what Adobe XD lets you do, is sort of figure out how to sort of combine things together. And from there, I exported it as a PDF, and so that's one screen per page, full size for the iPhone. And then I actually opened that up on my iPhone and took pictures of it, brought those pictures into Unity, and what that let me do is something like this. I actually set up a reference panel. If I just hide this for a second, I was able to set up a reference panel which had the different pieces of user interface designs that I wanted to do, and straight from, it was basically just take the pictures of the PDF pages, pop them on, and then build UI over it. And let me just give you a quick look for how it works. I was also able to start to hook things up a bit, and I already know I have too many options on the screen at one time, so I'm going to be working at hiding some of those. But this is kind of like what it looks like. So basically it comes on in, and we can click on an episode, and in a show, we'll have titles and descriptions, and inside each one of those we'll have an episode view that we can look at, and actions that can be taken, and you can get back and go to home settings. We have different app settings, all the shop. I don't like having 6 options down the bottom, so I'm going to try and find a way to go with 5, maybe lose the friends for now because we don't have social features active for a while. And so the neat thing about this is now I can start to hook up API backend stuff to this, begin to search for shows, record the library, save the library, etc. So this is kind of way ahead of where I wanted to be for my app initial UI and MVP, and that's it. All right, have a good day.